In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneNote in a Zoom meeting. If you take notes during a class, lead a workshop, or run team stand-ups, being able to show your OneNote notebook live is a great way to keep everyone on the same page and capture ideas as they happen. First, open your notebook in OneNote. Choose the section and page you want to present so it's ready to go before you start sharing. Having your content organized in advance keeps the flow smooth once you're live. If you plan to type or draw while presenting, make sure the page has enough space and that the text is readable at a glance. You can zoom in a little if it helps your audience see details clearly. Next, join or start your Zoom meeting. This can be a scheduled meeting you're hosting or one you've been invited to. Once you're in the meeting and ready to present, you'll take just a couple of clicks to broadcast your notebook. In Zoom, click Share Screen. You'll find this in the main meeting controls, typically along the bottom of the window. Zoom will open a picker showing what you can share. This is where you choose exactly what your participants will see. Select your OneNote window, which is the recommended option for most presenters, or select your entire screen. Picking the OneNote window shares only that app, which keeps the focus on your notes and helps protect your privacy if you switch to other apps in the background. Choose your entire screen if you need to jump between OneNote and other tools like a browser or a document. Just remember that anything on your screen will be visible to your audience when you use full screen share. Click share. As soon as you do, participants can see your notes live. You can type, format text, add checkboxes, and draw with ink, and everyone will see updates instantly. If you switch pages or sections within OneNote, the shared view follows you, so the group can track the conversation. Keep your pace steady and talk through what you're writing so viewers can connect the content to your explanation. If someone asks a question about a specific point, you can highlight or underline it right in OneNote to make it stand out. That's all it takes. With your notebook open, your Zoom meeting running, share screen clicked, your OneNote window or full screen selected, and share confirmed, your audience is fully in sync with your notes in real time.